We are now in the process of making electric buses, electric cars, electric scooters, electric auto rickshaw. At the same time, we have launched the Flex engine, where we are making our automobile 100% on biofuel, that is bioethanol. We have tremendous capability of making bioethanol in the country. Now the Toyota is going to launch, already we have launched the car where it is on 100% bioethanol, and we are making ethanol from sugarcane juice, corn, and even from molasses and from broken rice. Today, it is really important that our industry is to be one of the important industry, and I am confident in due course of time, within 5 years, we will make this industry of 15 lakh crore, and we will be the number one manufacturing automobile hub in the world. I am really happy that today our economy is progressing and is developing with multiple effect. Today, it is really a great thing for me that the next 25 years would be the Amrut Kal for all of us, because our country, we have to develop world-class infrastructure and promote manufacturing using cutting-edge technology in the country. As far as the industry is concerned, we can develop industry only when we have good infrastructure: water, power, transport and communication. Now we have this year, we have already have 6 world record in road construction. When I taken charge as a minister, it was 2 kilometer per day, but now it is coming to 38 kilometer per day. We are making lot of green highways in the country. I am giving you the example. Actually, from Delhi to Meerut, previously it was 4 hours, now it is 40 minutes. 18-lane express highway started from Delhi going to the Meerut. Now we are making highway from Delhi to Dehradun, Delhi to Haridwar within 2 hours. Delhi to Jaipur within 2 hours. Delhi to Chandigarh 2.5 hours. Delhi to Amritsar 4 hours. Delhi to Katra 6 hours. And Delhi to Srinagar 8 hours. Delhi to Mumbai 12 hours. And even from Chennai to Bangalore with 2 hours. We are making lot of green highways, and we are also confident the way in which we are developing our highways, there is a huge possibility for making of different type of logistic parks, industrial clusters, and even we are in process of making bus ports. We have in the process of making of 600 bus ports, 670 roadside amenities, where the mall, restaurants, all type of investment opportunities are there. And our charging station will be there, gas station will be there. And also there will be good restaurants, and at the same time handloom and handicrafts of that area will be available on roadside amenities. We are making 260 ropeways, cable car and funicular rails. We have got the tremendous potential, and by using the best technology in the world, you can make the joint venture and you can start making ropeway, cable car. Also in different part of the country, lot of projects are ready with us. We have at the same time we are making green roads. Now it's a great opportunity that we are working in PPP mode, hybrid annuity, BOT, and at the same time now we are working on InvIT model. I am really happy to tell you that when we launched this model in the Bombay Stock Exchange, the time period was 10 days, but within 7 hours, our bond issue was oversubscribed, and we are giving 8% return to the retired people and the people from the small people like farmers, like the journalist, even the government servant. They can invest after retirement their money into NHI bonds, and where they will get returns up to 8%. So naturally we have within 7 hours, our bond issue was 7 times oversubscribed. So in the capital market, our AAA rating is there. We don't have problem of any resources because the traffic density is good, internal rate of return is good, and presently our toll income is 40,000 crore per year, and in due course of time, within 3 to 4 years, it will go up to 1,40,000 crore. And our idea is presently we have fast track, but now we are in the process of making automobile number plate based our tolling system, where you don't need to stop anywhere. And that is exactly we are accepting the new technology. In the road sector, we are using waste material. Our vision is to how we can reduce the cost of construction in the road and how we are going to increase the quality of construction. We are using slag, steel slag as a waste material in road construction. Presently, we have accepted the technology from Malaysia, where distance between the two pier is only, in India it is only up to 30 meter. But now we can make it 120 meter. That can save the cost by 30 to 40%. The beam which is going to cast, we are using steel fiber. And because of that, the strength is good and cost is less. So this is going to save the cost of construction by 30 to 40% in bridges. We have making the biggest tunnel Jojila. The 45 to 50% work has completed near Kargil in Kashmir. And that is to be, we save 5,000 crore on the one project. We are making tunnels of 2,50,000 crore in the country. Tomorrow I am going to inaugurate the tunnel in Madhya Pradesh in Rewa. So beautifully we are making tunnels, bridges, roads, even we are making green express highways, and our idea is to make logistic parks. We are already in the process of making of the logistic parks of 2 lakh crore. I am really confident that India is the destiny for good investment. And that is exactly the most important thing, that where there is a huge potential is available. We are making alternative fuel, biofuel, methanol, ethanol, biodiesel, bio-LNG, bio-CNG, and our automobile industry is changing. Now just I am giving you the example, even transport sector. The diesel bus in Mumbai, the best running, the cost is coming 115 rupees per kilometer. I just got appointed to launch electric double-decker bus in Mumbai, and electric luxury bus, air-conditioned bus. Now in our tender for 5,500 buses, we received the offer of 39 rupees per kilometer for non-AC bus and 41 rupees per kilometer for AC bus. And the cost of diesel bus is 115 rupees per kilometer. If the way in which we can develop the public transport, just like European countries, double-decker air-conditioned buses on electric, we will reduce the ticket rate by 30%. And 100% it is economically viable, where India has got the potential of 10 lakh buses. Presently we have only 1,50,000 buses. Now we want to make trolley buses in the country, electric trolley buses. We are planning is to make e-highway to Jaipur, Delhi to Jaipur electric highway. We are in process of making electric truck, even electric tractor. And now it is to be time for the Indian technology, the way in which we are developing, 100% we will be number one in the world. Today, hydrogen is the future fuel. I have got the car on hydrogen. Beautiful car. It's from Toyota. The name of the car is Mirai. The Mirai word means the future, Bhavishya. Actually, this is the car. Now there are 3 types of hydrogen. One hydrogen is from petroleum, that we will get the hydrogen from petroleum. We will call it as brown hydrogen. From the coal is black hydrogen, and from the water it is to be a green hydrogen. We can make hydrogen from the solid organic waste, and we can use the sewage water for making of hydrogen. And actually, when I was water resources minister, we have successfully started the project in Mathura, where 80 MLD sludge of Mathura in hybrid annuity project is taken by Triveni Engineering, 40% from the government and 60% from the investor. And 80% sludge they are making clean water and giving it to Indian Oil Mathura refinery, and they are getting 20 crore rupees per year. In my own constituency in Nagpur, we are selling the sewage water of Nagpur to Maharashtra government for power generation in Koradi and Khaparkheda, where we are getting 300 crore rupees per year as a royalty from the sewage water. The idea is the rooftop solar for segregating solid waste, where we use rooftop solar on the upper side, and by which the 70% of cost in green hydrogen is the power. By taking that power with 2 rupees 40 paisa per unit, and the electrolyzer, we are the highest #1 manufacturer in the world. The company which started in Bangalore, which I got appointed to launch that product, now 90% of the production is exported to the USA. So our idea is that we will be number one manufacturing. Already we are for electrolyzer, and we will make the green hydrogen. And now the green hydrogen is the fuel for the future. I know that you are in the country where petrol, diesel is surplus. Their economy is depending upon the petrol and diesel, and I am making the alternative for petrol and diesel and crude oil. That is really, I am talking it, but Indian point of view, it is very important for all of us that it should be import substitute, cost effective, pollution free and indigenous. So on green hydrogen, already in Germany 1000 kilometers they run the already railway on that. We can use green hydrogen in industry, in pharmaceutical industry, chemical industry, steel industry. We can use green hydrogen in aviation. We can use green hydrogen even in shipping. So the 100% India is in working fast on making green hydrogen. So my suggestion is the lot of potential India we have got. Because of the road infrastructure, already I have declared that before end of 24, our road infrastructure will be equivalent to the USA. So 100% now we are making waterways, we are making highways, we are making airports. 100 airports have already completed. We are already giving permission to amphibious seaplane where they can even on water also they can land, and they can land also on the airstrip. In my own department we have 29 roads where we can use as airstrip. We have already successfully tried a defense aircraft on our road. So the way in which it is to be developed, I feel that it is 100% to be great opportunity. Regarding the national monetization plan, 27% of the target of 19 billion US dollar is related with the road sector. Our InvIT model is very successful. In the previous round, we got 7 times over subscription and in 7 hours. My suggestion is you can invest in the logistic park, you can invest in the road sector, you can invest in ropeway, cable car, funicular projects, even you can invest in public transport, mass rapid transport on electricity. So these are the opportunities which are available. And I feel that it can be a great opportunity for all of you, because the returns on the particularly investment available in the particularly in the Dubai, Kuwait, but all your country, it is to be very less. But as compared with the returns in Indian economy is really very active, very attractive. So my suggestion to all of you that this is the time that with new initiative, we are developing lot of new technology in different fields. We have lot of different technology. Our target is to increase our export and reduce your import. Actually, the semiconductor is a big shortage in India. Now we are planning for starting the semiconductor manufacturing in India. We have lot of projects economically viable in the power sector. We need to develop wind power, green power, solar power, at the same time now hydel power. So there is also a great potential is available, and at the same time regarding our export, the whole world, even in pharmaceutical industries, chemical industry, engineering industries, everywhere, automobile industry, the Indian products and their standards are well recognized in the world. My suggestion that this is the time that we want to develop our agriculture, rural and tribal area. Our tourism sector is equally important. Now we have very important priority for tourism, because 49% of the capital invested in tourism we are using for employment potential. So my suggestion is, even in the tourism we are making the 12,000 crore road of Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, Char Dham Yojana. We are making the road from Pithoragarh in Uttarakhand connecting to Manas Sarovar. 90% work has completed. We are making already successfully completed the Bhagwan Gautam Buddha circuit, where it starts from the birthplace of Bhagwan Gautam Buddha to everywhere where Bhagwan Gautam Buddha was there. So the Buddha circuit we have completed. We have started now Ram Gaman Yatra. We have completed Ayodhya circuit is already in the process. So we are making expenditure of 2 lakh crores for that. We are developing Northeast. We are making the road construction of 3 lakh crores in Northeast. So definitely there is a huge potential. In rural agriculture and tribal area, the forest-based industrial policy, we have got a lot of new technology. We are making bitumen and ethanol from parali, popularly known as parali, that is rice straw. In Panipat, we have got the project from parali, from rice straw. We are making 1 lakh liter of bioethanol and 150 ton of biobitumen. Now I am going to launch a project where we can make biobitumen from parali, rice straw, and organic carbon. So 70% will be the biobitumen and 30% will be organic carbon, and that organic carbon we can use in agriculture and we can increase our productivity. So only our target is to development of sustainable growth and good growth for our future generation. A value-based education system is the strength for Indian situation. We have got engineering college, IITs, polytechnic college, skill development training centers, and lot of medical college now we have. Our all Indian doctors are well reputed in the whole world. Now the medical institutions, now the way in which we are developing in everywhere, the private universities, there is a lot of opportunity for investment in education sector. I am really happy that particularly the Bahrain chapter of ICAI are very much keenly important for all of us. Because you are the people in the true sense, you are the ambassador of India.